Hi there, welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name's Carolyn Pitts. I'm an ACE certified health coach and intuitive energy healer, and every week I share health and wellness tips to help you be your best self. Today I want to tell you about something that is a staple in my kitchen, nutritional yeast. But before I show you what I do with it, I want to tell you a little bit about this bad boy and why, even if you're not vegetarian or vegan, you want to check it out. It's not yeast like you would use in baking or brewing. It's been through a pasteurization process, and so that capability has been deactivated. I'm going to read from my notes all the things that are in this product. It is a rare plant-based source for all 9 of the essential amino acids. These are proteins that our bodies cannot make. They need to get them directly from our food. It is loaded with B vitamins. It has over 500% of B1, 400% of B2, 200% of B3, 400% of B6, and B12 over 600%. Another reason it's popular with vegans is most people get their B12 from meat. So vegans need to look for another source of that. B vitamins, why do we care? B vitamins help you manage anxiety. They improve your sleep. They help your body produce energy. They can regulate your appetite. They're good for your skin. They're good for brain development. They help to form red blood cells, and they support immune system functioning. Also, this product's high in protein. A single serving has 5 grams of protein. Okay, so what do you do with it? Well, let me show you. Nutritional yeast has a cheesy and nutty flavor, so it's often used in plant-based cheeses. I add it to soaked ground cashews to make ricotta for my vegan lasagna. It's an essential ingredient in vegan mac and cheese. I sprinkle it on top of pasta in place of grated Parmesan. And long before I even went vegetarian, I was buying nutritional yeast and putting it on my popcorn. I stir it into dishes like polenta and risotto and scrambled tofu to add that cheesy umami flavor. I use it to thicken soups and chilies, and it's really good sprinkled on roasted vegetables. Potatoes, cauliflower, roasted Brussels sprouts, anything you might think of sprinkling cheese on, you can use nutritional yeast instead. So I really encourage you, pick up a bottle the next time you're at the grocery store and just give it a try. I think you will really enjoy it. It has very low sodium and absolutely no fat. So thank you for joining me. If you like this type of content, I invite you to go to intendwell.us and enter your email address to join our intention circle. Every week, you'll receive for free bonus content that I don't make available through my other channels. Thanks again. Have a beautiful week. Remember, intend peace, intend love, intend well.